guys, this time there is the spy between the Japanese cars and the Americans. Corvette 68 vs Fairlady 2000. Camaro Concept vs Datsun 620. Subaru Impreza vs Viper SRT. Mustang 2005 vs Honda CRX. Ford GT vs Acura NSX. Nissan 180 vs Dodge Charger SRT. This is the track for the challenge: straight line, power booster, parabolic curve, construction, crash point, fist and end race. Past the first round: Corvette 68, Camaro Concept, Viper SRT, Honda CRX, Acura NSX, Dodge Charger SRT. The winners of the second round are Camaro Concept, Viper SRT, edited NSX. The final winner of the challenge is the Acura NSX.